In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you can provide liquidity for the FlashStake token in order to earn even more money on UniSwap. As you guys know, I initially invested in FlashStake in the $10,000 DCA challenge. If you are new to the channel, make sure you check out the challenge. There's a lot of videos on it. Also, my goal is to buy these tokens, put them to work so I can maximize my profits. Obviously, providing liquidity does come with risk, and it is a lot more riskier than simply buying FlashStake and holding it in your wallet. But if you want those big profits, you definitely gotta take some risk. And that is what I'll be doing in this video, taking on risk in order to make even more profits. And I will show you step by step on how I'm providing liquidity for FlashStake. So before we jump into the video, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and now let's provide some liquidity. The process is pretty simple. The first thing that you need to do is obviously purchase some FlashStake. Once you have purchased like I have, you can go to their website. Once you're on their website, it will look something like this. And then all you have to do is press claim your yield. And then it will take you to this page. On this page, it will give you the opportunity to stake many different tokens and earn awesome APY rates. But there's no option to stake FlashStake, so we will press flashback in the top right corner. This would allow us to provide liquidity in the FlashStake Ethereum pool. Right here, you will see many different options for liquidity pairs, and you will see the rates. As you can see, they have FlashStake and Ethereum and FlashStake and Arbitrum. I will be using the Ethereum network, and we are going to press the first option. That will allow us to provide liquidity for up to 30 days. Obviously, I will be putting in the full amount. And then all we have to do is press add liquidity to the pool right here. It will bring us to this page where we will connect our wallet. And as you can see, I have 2,748 FlashStake tokens, and I will be using the full amount. We will also need 0.564 Ethereum. That way we are providing the equal value of FlashStake and Ethereum to the pool. Once we have entered in the amount of liquidity that we want to provide, we will press approve flash. This will pretty much confirm everything in our wallet, and as you can see, it is currently pending, but after about 30 seconds, it will be approved. Once everything is confirmed in your wallet, we are simply going to press supply. Obviously, it will ask us to confirm once again, and we will do so. Now our transaction has been submitted and confirmed, so we are going to close this out. Once everything is confirmed, you can scroll down and you'll be able to see your position. And then all you have to do is go back to the page right here. We are going to put in the max amount of 35.9. And then right here, we will be able to select our duration. The maximum is 30 days. If we do this for 30 days, we will receive an additional 387 FlashStake tokens. Obviously, that is not a huge amount, but it is way better than zero. And hopefully over time, we'll be able to repeat this over and over and over again in order to accumulate an even bigger position of FlashStake. The APR is pretty good too, over 85%, but it will continue to drop as more people provide liquidity. And now we're simply going to press flashback. It will ask us to confirm everything in our wallet, and we will do so. And now it says, congratulations, we have provided some liquidity. And right here is our progress. As you can see, we are at 0% simply because we just opened it. But we'll be back in 30 days, and I will show you exactly how many free FlashStake tokens I have received. So that is pretty much how it's done. Obviously, it comes with risk, but that is the risk that I'm willing to take in order to maximize my profits. One final thing that I would like to mention, if you guys plan on doing this, make sure to keep the gas fees in mind. I spent almost $20 in Ethereum gas fees to pretty much do what I just did in this video. So if this is something that you want to do for the long term, make sure to do your own research and make sure to pick the perfect time of day where the gas fees are its lowest. Also do higher amounts. If you just have $20 and you want to provide liquidity, the gas fees will pretty much eat all of that up and you will pretty much end up losing money. So make sure you do a decent amount of money if you are willing to do this. Obviously, do your own research. This does come with risk. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.